In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your first wholesaling deal in the next 10 days, step by step. More specifically, I'm going to give you 7 steps how you are going to get a wholesaling real estate deal in the next 10 days. And no, it's going to cost you $0 to get started in this business. So if you have no money and you don't know what you got to do, this is my exact 7-step guide to go out here and get your first wholesaling deal in the next 10 days. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do to get your first wholesaling deal in the next 10 days is you need to go to this website called xleads.com. Now, the reason you're going to go to xleads.com is it's free, but you basically use this website and you're going to use a 14-day free trial. And on that free trial of xleads, you're going to go out here and get 1,000 free skip traces. So you can go out here and get 1,000 records completely for free of people's phone numbers and information. Now, if you want to keep xleads and actually keep the software as a CRM, a dialer, texting, e-signing, the data, the comping, all that stuff, up to you if you want to keep it. Now, once you go here to xleads.com, what you're going to do is you're going to pull AI lists. The cool part about xleads is you get to try it out for 14 days for free. And the really cool part about the software is they'll actually use AI to pull motivated seller data. Pretty much what it does is it uses AI to predict a bunch of data points, over 1 billion data points of how likely somebody is to sell their property for cash. Now, it's not perfect, I'll be real with you, but it's better than the average list. So let's say you go out here and pull a vacant property list, right? A list of vacant houses. And you want to go use any software, even xleads, right? And you go pull this data, right? You'll probably pull around 5,000 properties in your city or county of vacant properties, assuming it had high equity. Now, it's really interesting is if you call those 5,000 people, taking about 60 calls per hour, probably take you around 83 hours of actual calling, and you will probably go out here and get one deal, which is actually pretty cool. I mean, obviously, like, done, video over, click, but you don't want to be calling 83 hours. Like, I'm telling you, as a guy that used to do 5 hours a day of calling, 5 days a week, that was 25 hours. Doing that for a month is 75. And that was a brutal grind. You're gonna hate your life after calling 83 hours on a dialer. I promise you, you do not want to be doing this. But you'll probably get a deal from calling these 5,000 people. Now, on the contrary, you can use what we call an AI list from xleads. And you don't need to use xleads. There's plenty of software. It's just xleads is the only one that has 1,000 free skip traces and it's the best skip tracing. No other trials have skip tracing included that I know of. But what xleads does with their AI list is they look at all the houses in an area. So look at all these little houses, and they look at changes from all these properties over time. And basically what I mean by this is the AI is going to go out here and look at your credit score over time. They're going to look at a change of address, COA, a change of address. So if maybe it's a married couple and one of the couples changes their address, if there's an impact on their credit score, if they go out here and get a home loan or they get another credit card loan, maybe there might be delinquent on it, there might be a lien on the property. It goes after all these things. Basically, there's an AI stacked list, and the AI analyzes it and figures out that this person is most likely to sell the property versus somebody else. And it gives it a score from 0 to 1,000, how likely this person is to sell the property for cash to a wholesaler. Now, what you're gonna do is on your AI list, there's gonna be a score of 750 or higher. And that's all you're gonna do, 750 or higher. And basically, that's the list you're gonna pull. Probably every 1,000 leads that you get from an AI stacked list is actually gonna end up being a deal. Now, I'm no mathematician, but 1,000 divided by 60 calls per hour is roughly called 17 hours of calling. And did I mention that you can pull this list for free on xleads with the free trial? So 17 hours of work for the same list from the same software will get you exponential better results. So that's what we're gonna do here. Number 2 is we're gonna pull an AI sellability list. So we're gonna go out here and pull our AI lists. So 750 score or higher on xleads. Now, it really depends on the plan you have on the 14-day free trial, which plan you're gonna keep on xleads. But if you have like an annual plan for the basic, you get 3 zip codes you can pull the AI list on. You even get a county on the X plan annuals. Really depends on which one you wanna be doing here. I'm assuming you're just gonna get the X plan basic. That's what most people, it's the most popular plan. So you get 1 zip code to do this. And on top of this too, with the free trial, you're gonna be able to pull another AI list, which is basically our AI driving for dollars list. So basically what it does is it uses AI to go out here and look at live satellite views on every property in America, and it ranks it from 0 to 100 how ugly the property is. So the AI driving for dollars list, it's called SkyDrive, and pretty much you wanna get a score of 70 or higher. Now, this is just the first part of the list polling. I mean, the whole point of me talking about this is you're gonna be getting 5 to 10 times more motivated sellers per call or per 100 calls pulling these two lists than any other list out there. Remember, this is niche data that you can pull from a software where everybody's doing the same stupid things. They're all pulling the same vacant property list. And when you call that person, guess what it is? When you call that seller up from the high equity list that everyone and their mother has, what do you think the seller's gonna say? You're the 10th guy to call me today. Duh! Get some more niche lists right here. Now, probably if you're only using one zip code, I'm assuming it's gonna be some zip code outside Atlanta or Memphis or whatever. You're probably gonna get maybe 200, I would say if I'm nice, of a list like this, and maybe you might get 50. It's not a massive list. And pulling that might get you a deal every other month or every 3 months. It's not like a list, oh my gosh, with just one zip code. That's why you get the Pro Plan, the X Plan, X Leads. You can do a whole county and get like thousands of them. But these are the first two lists to be pulling. Now, after that, we're gonna go pull our government data. Now, if you go right here to step 4, we're gonna pull our government data. So these are gonna be basically your code violations, probates, pre-foreclosures, your liens, etc. Now, I have an entire spreadsheet in pretty much the top 100 markets in the United States of America of exactly how you can pull every single one of these lists for you. You don't even have to think about it. You just click the button and the list pops up right there. If you want to access that spreadsheet and actually learn about how to pull this data and organize it and actually get it imported into a software like xleads.com to get it skip traced for free with the free trial, you need to go to my free real estate wholesaling course. It's right here. You're going to see it on the screen. It's called freewholesaling.com. And in that school group, I teach you exactly how to get started wholesaling real estate. I teach you my scripts, my tips, how to comp properties. I give you my AI repair costs, my free AI CRMs, and my tools and everything right. Just go to freewholesaling.com. I'll teach you how to get started for free. Now, pulling these lists right here, you're probably going to get maybe 700, 800. I'll call it probably 800 lists. I'll probably say if you add this, plus this, plus this, you'll probably get 1,000 total leads. Now, what's very convenient about these total 1,000 leads is that is exactly the amount of free skip tracing that you get right here on X Leads. You're gonna import these government lists into X Leads, get it skip traced, and then throw it all into one master file, which is all your data, all skip traced, ready to go. You're gonna have the owner information, the phone number, everything. Then from there, you're gonna go get the data and you're gonna go cold call these sellers. Now, you can use a dialer. X Leads has an auto dialer. You have to pay for it though. You can use a website like GoogleVoice.com or right here, Google Voice, which is free, and you can call from there, get a phone number there. But however you're gonna call the sellers, let me give you the exact script. So right here on this little edge, I'm gonna give you my scripts of what to say to these sellers when you're cold calling them. So you're gonna go for our cold calling, you're gonna hit them with a 2-question script. Question 1 and question 2. And I like to make it simple. Again, all my scripts and everything is inside of freewholesaling.com. You can get right there and download. But my script is really simple. The first question you're gonna ask somebody when you're cold calling them is, hey, is this the owner of 123 Main Street? And number 2, you're gonna ask if they are interested in selling the property. Now, are they the owner? Yes or no? And are they interested in selling it? Now, if they hit you with a no, that's a dead deal, not a problem. But if they say yes, then it gets thrown right here into my seller script on the phone. Now, my seller script's pretty simple. It's MCTP, and after that there is a callback script. And we'll go back to the seller script of exactly what to say when they say they're looking to sell the property in a second. Now, after we call the sellers up, we are then going to go out here and drop a text to them. You're going to text everybody that didn't answer. Text everyone that is a no answer, and you're going to hit them with this text right here, which we're going to throw the script over here. The texting script, and this is the script when people don't answer the phone. You're just going to say, is this John? Question mark. Then obviously that is you're kind of hitting with the owner, and then if they say they're John, then you're going to go text them back or call them if they're interested. Then you go through the same script, which is pretty simple. It's like calling, but you're texting at the same time. The whole point of the script of is this John is you want them interested in selling the property. You want to see if they're the owner and if they're interested. And you're all funneling them from a government data or a motivated seller list from X Leads into, okay, I want to make sure I got the right person, and I want to make sure that this person is interested in selling the property or not. Let me give you a lesson on how to wholesale real estate. The reason I'm so good at this business, why I've taught more people to become successful wholesaling real estate, why I make millions of dollars every single year, is I know how to funnel a potential list of people that want to sell the property into a signed contract that I sell to a buyer and make fat stacks in money. And the best way I efficiently do this is by making my systems and questions really simple so I can actually teach it to people who are super brand new and VAs so they can do this task for me at volume. The reason why I'm really good at scaling wholesaling, making a lot of money is not because I'm calling sellers every single day. I have my whole team doing it every single day. And because I could teach a VA at $4 an hour in the Philippines to do the script for me, that's why it's so successful. And because you're a beginner and you're brand new and you feel like you might mess up, I'm not giving you a super complicated script. I'm giving you the same script I give my VAs because it's so dummy proof, it's so brain dead proof that anybody, even if you're nervous, you have an accent, you don't know how to talk to sellers, it always works. And remember, if they don't want to sell the property, we don't deal with them. Then from there, if they do want to sell from here, we'll give them a call back. And obviously we go out here and give an offer, or we go out here or follow up. Now, what is the script when they say, yes, I actually want to sell my property? Well, this is how you're going to get a deal in 10 days. I don't know if I can train you to become the greatest acquisitions closer in wholesaling real estate in under 10 days, but I give you such a bulletproof script that even if you don't know what you're doing and you mess up, you can get a deal. Remember, this is pretty much the same script I had when I was 17 years old. I got my first wholesaling real estate deal in under a month. I made $25,000 in high school, and I was a bumbling idiot. The tall, rich, jacked, handsome man you see before you was short, scrawny, and had a squeaky little voice like this. And I still made $25,000 because I made such a stupid, simple, bulletproof script that this is the same one I use, and it always gets results. Now, when a seller says they want to sell their property, you might freeze them and be like, oh my gosh, what do I do? What do I say? Pretty simple. MCTP. This is the acronym. When you're freaking out, you don't want to talk to a seller, what do you say? Pretty simple. So motivation. Why are you interested in selling your property, right? Why? C, condition. Can you tell me about the house, the roof, AC, any repairs that need to be done on the property? T, time frame. When are you looking to sell the property? And P, price. How much ballpark range are you looking to sell the house for? And then you're gonna gather all this information. You're gonna tell them, hey, I'm gonna look at all this with my partner. I'm gonna call you back to see a time that works for me to come buy the property and potentially buy the house. Now, if you're virtually wholesaling, hey, let me take all this information and talk to my partner about the property, and I'll call you back and see what we can do to go out here and buy your property. When's a good time for me to call you back? Now, your VAs can do this, you can do it, but I definitely call back, get some more information, comp the property, figure out how much to offer, then condition them, get them closed. But that's all, guys. If you want to learn how to close a seller, just go to freewholesaling.com right there. This is all about finding the deal in the next 10 days. So overall, to bring it from the top, we're going to go to xleads.com and get a 14-day free trial and 1,000 free skip traces. We're gonna go pull the AI lists on xleads.com, get anything that's a 750 score or higher. We are then going to AI Drive for dollars, SkyDrive AI, anything that's a 70 or higher. That should be about 50 leads, 200 there. We're gonna pull our government data, your code violations, probates, pre-foreclosures, the liens, etc. All the lists that we teach how to pull inside of freewholesaling.com right here. In total, should be around 1,000 leads right there that we can import into xleads.com and get them skip traced. Then from there, we're gonna call the sellers with our simple script right here. So we're gonna ask them if they are the owner of the property and if they are interested in selling it. If they are not, dead deal, have a great day. Yes, we're gonna go through our MCTP script. Same thing with texting. Everyone that doesn't answer the phone, we are then going to text them and say, hey, is this John? Yeah, this is John. Hey, this is Zach. I was just seeing if you're interested in selling that property. Then from there, we're gonna go through our MCTP script, motivation. Hey, Mr. Seller, why are you interested in selling the property? C, condition. Hey, Mr. Seller, can you tell me more about the property, roof, AC, repairs, kitchen, any repairs need to be done on the property? Time frame. Hey, Mr. Seller, when are you looking to sell the property? P, hey, Mr. Seller, how much are you looking to get rid of the property for? Okay, perfect, Mr. Seller. Let me talk to my partner here and let me give you a call back to see a good time that works for you so we can go out here and see if this is a property we can buy. And that, ladies and gentlemen, you just got a wholesaling real estate deal in under 10 days. So the only thing I need to do now is to get to work. Start getting in front of sellers, start pulling your data, start making action, start going out here and marketing and getting rich wholesaling real estate. Guys, if you got any value from this video, do me a favor. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out. Have a blessed one.